Recently here in the States, we celebrated a holiday called Thanksgiving.
I gotta be honest with you guys, by the time I edit and post this video, Thanksgiving has probably been long past, but did we really expect anything to...
So I got a few days off from work for Thanksgiving, and I decided to make the executive decision not to use my brain at all. So basically that means for the entire break, I watched anime all day, every day. But then, no one's gonna watch your videos unless you put art in your game. I'm just kidding. Gavco's actually left a really nice comment, and he said, adding a pixel spaceman and an asteroid explosion would be sweet. So I decided to boot up Sprite and finally make some pixel art for the game. Side note, I used to be a sort of hobbyist artist, but I really don't enjoy making art anymore. So I've been really dreading this part of development, and I wasn't looking forward to this. But anyways, back to Sprite. For some unknown reason, I decided to make 20 spaceman designs. The idea was to pick the best parts of each of these designs and mash them into one spectacular main design. It took me a while to finish these 20 designs, but after blood, sweat, and tears, we finally had them. And I figured I'd just go through all my designs and just rate them. First off, we got number 1. You could see some of these already have X's on them. I've decided that I hate their guts and they're not going in the game. So number 1, it's kind of a relic of the past when I wanted to go with a more Samus design, I guess. It's kind of ugly, missing an arm. 1 out of 10. Here we got number 2. Number 2 is a cool dude, you know, still a relic of the past, not the direction I wanted to go in. This is back when I wanted the gun to be floating, because I really didn't want to deal with having to position the gun. I was just gonna have it floating, and you know, but I decided to scrap that. You can have a 7 out of 10. Here's number 3. As you can see, he's already X'd out. I don't like this guy. This was back when I was obsessed with covering the character's face. You can see in some of my concept art, I always covered like the lower half of the face. So I wanted to translate that into pixel art, and it basically didn't work out. This was a step in the right direction though, in regards to like the character's pose and whatnot. You can have, I guess, a 4. 3, no, you can have a 5. You can have a 5 out of 10. Here is number 4. Yeah, it's ugly. It's just disgusting. I don't like this guy. I was still trying to cover the lower half of his face. I don't like him. Red X, 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, 3 out of 10. This guy was a step in the right direction. He has a black suit or a mostly black suit rather than a blue suit, which is kind of weird, or kind of different from everybody else, but I still kind of like it. You can see I didn't really cover his face up that much. I covered like the sides, and I think that was a step in the right direction. You, sir, and he's also bigger and more, the proportions are more like cute, I guess. So this guy can get a 9. You did good, bud. Number 6, ugly, disgusting, 1 out of 10. What the heck? I was trying to cover his face again, and it just, yuck. Number 7, the abomination. It still counts towards my 20 though, but 0 out of 10. What is this guy? Number 8. I love this guy. You're the best of the best. He has some interesting shapes on the head, as you can see with the little antenna earpiece. He has a nice jaw shape. He's you know, he's just chilling, and I really like what he's doing. First 10 out of 10. Number 9, ugly. What are you doing? Scuba diving? Is that what you're trying to do? Scuba diving? Disgusting. You can get a 4 out of 10. Number 10. We're halfway through the rankings. This guy, chef's kiss. I love this guy. However, I feel like he belongs in Atlantis and not in space. So this helmet probably won't make it into the game. But hey, nice hairstyle, nice swag. I love you, dude. 10 out of 10. And maybe that can be like a purchasable suit, you know? sometime down the line. Number 11. He's a alright dude, you know. I don't really like what's happening around his like neck area. Yeah, I don't 6 out of 10. Not a big fan, but you're alright, man. You're alright. Number 12. Number 12, you're really cool. I like the slick back hair. I like everything about you almost. Your helmet kind of looks like a hoodie, sort of, but you're still cool. And is it just me, or are you looking kind of thick? Yeah, you're pretty freaking cool, dude. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. You can have a 9 out of 10. Number 13. He's a pretty cool dude. Hair is kind of whack, you know. Interesting head shape, you know. Helmet shape, I guess. Interesting antenna. You're kind of cool. 8 out of 10. 14. Get the heck out of my face. What is this? What do you got on your head? A fish bowl? Is that what you got on your head? Yeah, no. Out of my face. I really like your pose though. 6 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Number 15. Your jawline is a little lacking, you know. Yeah, you're decent. Nothing special. You can have a 5 out of 10. What the heck is going on here? Oh, I know what's going on here. You're all right. I gave you a red X, but you're not too bad. But you're not that good. So 4 out of 10. This guy, this freaking guy, this guy, number. What number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 17. Number 17 is a really cool dude. You know, he has a really interesting suit, but I feel like at the resolution of the game, the suit has too much going on, but still a really cool person. Would love to be your friend. You have a kind of weird hairstyle, but I still dig it, you know. You can have a nice little 7 out of 10. Number 18. Number 18, you're a cool guy. You're a cool guy. Your helmet shape is kind of boring, but overall decent. How about we give you you can have a 7 out of 10. So here's 18. As you can see, I was getting tired of drawing designs, but hey, super cool helmet shape, super cool hair. You know, you're doing it big. That head shape or the helmet shape probably won't be the helmet shape I go with, but maybe it can be purchasable again, you know. More content. Hey, your rating, what's your rating? You can get a nice little 9 out of 10. All right, so we're at the final one, 20. As you can see, it's kind of ugly, you know, the proportions and the pose and stuff. Yeah, this was the last one. I was at the finish line. I just wanted to cross it, you know what I mean? Has an interesting helmet, I guess. His body posture is kind of weak. 6 out of 10. So there we go for all of the designs that I made for the space game character. You know, let me know which one you like the most, and I'll probably work on getting a final design sometime. I don't know when. So after I survived the 20 character designs, I decided to punish myself more and make 5 small asteroid designs. And is it just me, or is this asteroid looking? Anyways, here's the sprites in the game so you can see how they look at this point in time. Obviously I'm gonna do iterations and make them better as time goes on, but I just wanted to show you guys how they look now. I didn't end up making an asteroids explosion because I kind of want to do that with particles rather than a sprite animation, but we'll see. That's gonna be it for this devlog. Feel free to leave me a comment letting me know which design you like the most, and I'll try and incorporate that with the final design. You can also follow me on twitch.tv. I'll leave the link in the description. Have a good day. I'm out of here.